Next stop Manila Cathedral, an episode of series, Walking Tour of Intramuros. Exit the main gate of Fort Santiago and make a 5 to 10 minute walk southeast down General Luna Street, past the Plaza Moriones and the Palacio del Gobernador. The cathedral will be visible to your left. The Manila Cathedral, Cabildo Core. Beaterio Streets, Intramuros, Google Maps, is the ecclesiastical seat of the Archdiocese of Manila. In Spanish colonial times, this was the seat of the Spanish Archbishop of Manila, who had jurisdiction over the entire archipelago. This structure is actually the sixth church to occupy the site. The first one, built in 1581, was razed to the ground 2 years after it was built. The present structure was completed in 1958. The cathedral's crypts serve as a final resting place for former archbishops of Manila, just as the crypts of St. Peter's in the Vatican do for the bodies of former popes. Among those interred in the cathedral's crypts is Jaime Cardinal Sin, one of the ringleaders of the 1986 Edsa Revolution that ousted the dictator Ferdinand Marcos.